In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set price alerts on Google Flights. To get started, open Google Flights in your web browser. Once you're on the site, begin by entering your trip details. First, choose the type of trip you want to search for, whether that's a round trip, a one-way flight, or a multi-city itinerary. After that, type in your departure airport and your destination. Then select your travel dates and make sure to set the number of passengers as well as your preferred travel class. Taking a moment to enter these details carefully helps make sure the alerts you receive are actually relevant to the trip you want to book. Once everything looks right, click Search to see the available flight options. Google Flights will then load the results page where you can compare fares and schedules from different airlines. This is also where you'll find the feature that makes price alerts possible. On the results page, look for the Track Prices toggle. When you find it, switch it on. This tells Google Flights that you want to monitor fare changes for the search you just entered. If prompted, sign into your Google account. This step is important because Google needs you to be signed in to save your tracked flights and send you price alert emails. After that, choose what you want to track. In many cases, you can track prices for the exact travel dates you selected. Sometimes Google Flights may also offer an Any Dates option, which is useful if your schedule is flexible and you want to be notified about broader price changes. If you're trying to find the lowest possible fare, this can be especially helpful. Once tracking is enabled, Google will send you email notifications whenever the fare significantly increases or decreases. You can also view your tracked flights directly from your Google Flights account, which makes it easy to keep an eye on multiple trips at once. If you ever want to make changes, return to Google Flights while signed in. From there, open your tracked flights or visit the tracked flight prices section in your Google account. You can edit your tracking preferences or stop tracking altogether by turning off the track prices toggle. Finally, when you receive a price drop alert and the fare looks good, head back to Google Flights, compare the current options one more time, and complete your booking through the airline or travel agency shown. That's all it takes to set up price alerts on Google Flights and stay informed until the price is right.